this is Praveen, product manager for SYNTEC. Here we are displaying all types of SYNTEC controller. SYNTEC is basically operating in 7 verticals, out of which we are displaying here the CNC controller. CNC controller are majorly of 2 types. One is the turning, the second is the milling. These controller comes with a screen size of 8, 10 and 15 inches. Right now we are displaying one turning and one milling controller. Controller comes along with the machine operating panel. Along with the controller we also provide input and output, access motor, servo drive, power encoder cable, brake cable, communication cable and spindle motor along with the spindle drive. This is the common package which we have used for maximum bill of materials, and then we also do customization based on customers' applications. Now here is the next range of controller. It's called automation controller. This controller can go up to 32 axis, and here we have displayed router controller. The router controller is right here, which is collaborated with 16 input output. Now here we are displaying the gantry structure, which is operating in 2 axis right now. So this is all about SYNTEC product. Thank you very much.